Well, look at this box. Birchbox got a makeover. Hey, beautifuls. Welcome back to my channel today. I am so glad that you guys are here with me today. We're doing, yet again, another unboxing. This is the Birchbox, and I have to tell you guys, when I first looked at this, I was like, what did Jordan just order me again? Because seriously, she does that. Like, this happens quite frequently that I will have boxes delivered and I'm like, I don't know what this is, but Jordan ordered it. But then I looked and it said Birchbox. So I thought, well, maybe this is some limited edition box or a mystery box we got. But no, it's actually my December 2024 box. But they did a whole rebrand. We have all new boxes. So if you're interested in this subscription box, I will have a link listed down below for you. I also have a discount code down there as well. I am blanking at the moment as to what that deal is. I think it takes $10 off of your first order. So I think you can get your box for $15, I think. I might have the wrong deal, but it will all be listed down below. Whatever's listed there is the right one, but I know I have a deal for this box. So like I said, this is my December 24 box. It is a monthly subscription. You are able to fully customize your box, which I think is great. You can choose every item that's going to be in here, but I also like that they have full-size products available as well. Now, it's supposed to be a mixture of full-size and sample-sized items, so you won't get an entire box of full-size products, but honestly, I still feel like you get a good amount of products to choose from, and there are several full-sized options. So this is their new box, and it says Beauty That Delivers. So I do love the rebrand. I think it's super cute. It was a bit shocking, not gonna lie. And then inside, this is what it looks like. I like the red and gold combo, very pretty. First item that I have inside of my box is a full-size shampoo from Christophe Robin. This one is the volumizing shampoo with rose extracts inside of it. So this is what it will look like here. Great hair care company. They've been around for a very long time. I have found that every time I try their products, my hair is so soft afterwards. And I don't know what's in it that's better because I typically use living proof products for my hair. It is so much softer than all of the other products that I use. And I don't know why. But this one is going to be a volumizing shampoo, so it should give you a little bit of lift and a little bit of body with your hair. It's 8.3 ounces, and it says that this will actually nourish your hair fiber, protect any color that you have added, and it's going to give you body and volume without drying out your hair either. So they have a patented formula with this blend, but it also has rose oil and rose extracts inside of this. Honestly, this may have just paid for the whole box. I don't know for sure. I haven't looked at Christophe Robin's prices in a really long time, but I just know with some of the luxury hair care brands, shampoos are expensive. So, I mean, this could have very easily paid for my whole box or been really close to it. The next item that I have is a full-size product from Floss. That is the brand name, but it's not actually Floss. It's kind of confusing, I know. But this is a highlighter, and this highlighter is in the shade Sunset. So I've used their highlighters in the past. This brand has very soft, lightweight makeup. So it's not going to be really heavy. It's not going to be a bold look. It's a very soft, subtle glow. So if you like a highlighter, but you don't want anything that's blinding, because Fenty Beauty has that kilowatt highlighter, and I mean, you guys, it is blinding. If you don't want anything to that extreme, this is a good option to go with. Now, this brand is an indie brand. It's all women owned, and it is cruelty-free and vegan as well. So they also have some really great values as a company. So I love that. This is what your highlighter will look like. I'll go ahead and do a quick swatch for you guys so you can kind of see what I'm talking about. But it's very soft, and I know it looks really blinding there, but it's because I just, wipe my finger in it and you're getting high pigment. But by the time you put this on and you blend it out, you're gonna actually be able to soften that hue just a little bit. So then it's a really nice soft highlight. So you still see it, but it's not going to be, like I said, as bright as like those Fenty highlighters are. It just blends in seamlessly with your skin. Also, you probably wouldn't put that much highlighter on anyways in this area. I mean, we don't typically swatch that much product on. So this does look a little bit brighter in person here on camera, but once you apply it, it's gonna buff out and look really natural. Where are my makeup wipes? See, this is what happens. I swatch stuff and then I don't know what to do when I have dirty fingers. Okay, a Kleenex will work. There we go. Next item that we have in here today is a travel size product from Bumble and Bumble. This is their thickening dry texture spray. Oh, I might use this actually right now, you guys. So this one is a hair care company, great brand. Once again, I do recommend Bumble and Bumble. This is where you're gonna spray this through your dry hair and it's going to give you a little bit of texture and a little bit of lift. So typically what you want to do is shake this up first. Like I said, make sure your hair is dry before you apply this. I will go in and kind of section off like this. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to spritz a little bit in here and let it lift up. What helps with this is it adds a little bit of lift and volume and it allows the hair to stick to that formula so that way it will stay in place then for you and you get a little bit more body and life out of it. So I love dry texture sprays. If you guys have not used one before, I highly recommend it. It's a game changer for your hair. This one from Bumble and Bumble, it works just as well as some of the other brands that I've used also. I love the Living Proof one. That's probably my favorite, but I'm out of it currently, so this is definitely gonna work. This is a great find. Like I said, this morning when I did my hair, I realized I was out and I was like, well, it is what it is. But hey, I just got it in my box. Who knew you guys were gonna be getting a little hair care lesson from me today? I didn't even know I was gonna do that. Next item that we have in here is from Benefit Cosmetics. This is the Roller Lash Mascara and it is in the shade Black. This is one of their best-selling products. If you're looking for a new mascara, I do recommend Benefit. They have a lot of different options available. This one is designed to give you volume for your lashes. So you're gonna notice here that it's got a little bit of a curve and the idea is to give you that lift again and to get kind of that height with your lashes there. This whole box, it's all about volume. Did you notice that? Like we had the shampoo that was about body and volume and then we moved on to the dry texture spray. Now we're getting mascara that's designed for volume. Like, holy bananas, this box is all about volume. And I customized it, so technically I can't even say this was Birchbox's deal because I chose all this. Next item that we have in the box today is from Korres. This one is their Poreless Skin Cream. It is a travel size that we have here, 20 ml. And this one is going to give you hydration, so this is a moisturizer. Good sizing though on that too, you guys. I know it is just travel size, but at least it's not like those itty bitty samples. You know what I'm talking about? The 3 ml, the 5 ml. I mean, there's enough there to use it. Our sixth and final item inside of my box this month from Birchbox is the Wonder Beauty Blush. So this is what it will look like here. Gorgeous color. I love this. So this one is in the shade Rendezvous and it is supposed to be a lip and cheek product. So it can double. If you need a little bit of color, you can put this on. So I think it means it's a cream-based product. And then you could apply this on. Yeah, it is. I can see that there. You can tell. So this is a cream formula that you can just pick a little bit up, add a little bit to your lips. I have lip gloss on right now, otherwise I would apply it. But it will give you a little bit of color. But then you could also put this on your cheeks and add a little bit of brightness to your cheeks as well. Now this one is their travel size. It is 0.03 ounces, so they do have a larger size of this product here, but I still feel like there's enough in here to try it out and see if you like the shade or the formula. And Wonder Beauty's not a bad brand by any means either. So that is everything inside of my Birchbox for December. Comment down below, let me know what do you guys think of this box. Now, like I said, I customized the entire box, so if for some reason you're like, wow, I hate every product in here, just know that there are other options available. I believe Christoph Robin was like the featured brand for December because I think there were several different products that you could choose from that line. Like there was a conditioner, there was a curl product. So they had a few other things available. I just went with the shampoo because that's what I will use. So they do have lots of options just in case if you do hate everything I chose. But I like my box. Imagine that. I customized it and I liked my box. But all in all, for my review today. I do think Birchbox is doing a fantastic job. I have been watching this brand kind of rebrand themselves all year long, and I feel like they are listening to what people want, and they're getting more full-size products, but also there was a lot of feedback at the beginning of the year where we were asking for better brands. I feel like we're seeing that. The fact that we have Christoph Robin in here, we've got Benefit Cosmetics in here, Bumble and Bumble is another one. I like that they are giving us better brands than what we've seen in the past with Birchbox, because back in the day, I don't know if you guys remember, but that Arrow brand was in every box, and I think Birchbox made that in-house, and it kind of, like, it detracted from the box because they were making products in-house, and it was just like, it was not as good as it is now. So I have to commend them as like a year-end review that I've seen the growth. Not only have their boxes gotten better with packaging, but the sizes have gotten bigger. We originally weren't even able to customize the entire box at the start of the year, but now we can. So I do feel like there is growth with this beauty box. So I love that. I do have to commend them that I love seeing the progress. So that is everything for today's unboxing video, you guys. Comment down below and let me know what do you think of Birchbox. But until next time, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!